Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to share detail about a network project that is also including Web 2, Web 3, Web 4 ecosystem. This is such a platform where we will explore current releases about it where Web 2, Web 3 and Web 4 meet. This is a network. Yes, where you can also check out successfully 21 million coins too. And here you can also check this network is also working on the transparent, and there is also live layer 1 testnet. There will be wallet pin protection, and you can also check out how restoration of a wallet will be through email OTP. It's mean it is also going to giving you web for migration too. And we can also check further information like here is start your do your own research. There is contract address github where you can also come in your white paper where you can check out what is the project a network that is also going to given a space to meet web 2 web 3 web 4 and live layer 1. This is also the continuity control we can see here. And there you can also check about the token, like there is also maximum supply 21 million. And there is a network. This is the token symbol, token name, and you can also check about this project too, because many people who start mining ants and smallest accounting unit as a net, and this is during the validator 6 hour session. So this will also be completed sessions per thousand as for eligibility threshold. But this is not just about the beginning, this is also going to starting a network where no referrals. You can follow the same principle as we have saw in the history of Bitcoin. 21 million total token supply, and their 6 hour session duration, and 10 reward stages, and fourth ecosystem phases too. So, what was the history about Web 2? Their failure. You can also check successfully. Here is also Web 2 internet, mostly user interact with today is closed loop, and Web 2 platform has no scarcity. That's why their people has got the exit. And there is also Web 3. There is a network proposal is really important to you how you will understand, because there is 6 hour session with web 2 web 3 web 3 and web 4, even web 5 AI augmented identity and application layer. This will also change the whole thoughts of people. Their vision is really clear. They want to give you an ecosystem, a network where people can come and they can also be a part of their roadmap. And their anti farming, there will be participation first, ledger continuity for every web 2, and different type of web users can also check out the information here. And web 2, web 3, web 4, and what are the differences, what are the main cores, you can check their control. In the web 2 there were corporation. In their web 3 like crypto there will DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. But in web 4 and anet there will be community power. This is the real thing that we want in ecosystem. And here is also the total token supply as working by we have saw in the history like Bitcoin same 21 million. And you can also check the definition on how it is going to making 6 hour session. We can check some more history details too. So if we talk about 6 hour session, this is the life cycle that is going to giving you details how you will enjoy and how will you will start there. As I have already told you, there is also the reward table too. How you will get different level reward. There is also the complete information. So basically, you are going to be a part of something better, something innovative and new, because the structure that have been created now is really appreciable. And you can also come on their official website too, where you can connect your wallet. What wallet you can connect, like trust wallet and other wallet I am going to using here. Once we have connect to this site, you will also check our wallet will be connected, and there is also contract address have been given to you. And we are now going to give the permission to it, and we want to switch on the BNB Smart Chain, and our wallet will be connected to this site. And then you will also check out successfully how you will participate and how you are going to check out all the information that is really understandable and everything that will explain the ecosystem. So here is also the market context, so you can also understand it. On the home interface, you can check the market overview about their token, what is the recent price in BNB, in USDT, volume have been raised. You can also check out, and there is also the chart analysis too. Like you can check how they are going to making progress. Everything is available on the DX screener. So further, their official channels like their Telegram, where you can meet with their community, and there are also the California Secretary of State already approved it, and there you can check out the license too. Here is 21 million total token supply, and with the same burning and as we saw in the history like Bitcoin. So you can be a part of their community. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next video. Till then, take care and enjoy your new epic journey.